if there is really a warrant of arrest, it should be given to our Department of Justice para sila mag-implement. Oh. Pero at saka kung talagang meron silang warrant of arrest, ang daling gumawa ng kopya, picture nila, pakita nila. Bakit hanggang ngayon di nila pinapakita? So imaginary yung warrant of arrest. Oh, bakit hindi nila pakita para makita ng buong bayan that there is a warrant of arrest? Picturein nila. At kung sino nag-issue ng warrant of arrest.
Pero paano sir kung sealed siya? Kasi may sinasabi pong angle na the warrant of arrest has been sealed. Kasi may mga instances na ICC warrants daw po ay sealed. Pero binibigyan
that is not allowed in our country. In our country, when you are arrested, you have to be shown the warrant of arrest. That is the legal basis for your arrest.
And the warrant of arrest dapat should be coming from DOJ, right?
Alin?
Yung warrant of arrest dapat po sa DOJ.
Dapat pakita sa'yo. At least the lawyer niya. Kagaya ko, I was there early this morning, but hindi pinakita sa akin kung talaga meron.
Hindi pa pwedeng direct sa kanya.
Pwede rin.